Hello, this is Elaine from Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this fun spring card with the Life is Beautiful stamp set. So here's the card and here's the stamp set. This stamp set is perfect for making all different kinds of seasonal cards, spring, summer, fall, and winter. So I'm going to show you a spring card. So I've already embossed this background with the Tasteful Textiles embossing folder. So I'm just going to adhere that to the back of the card with some Stampin' Seal. And my card base is Rococo Rose. And I'm just going to move this aside because I'm going to stamp the tree with the Stamparatus. I've already got the tree in there from previous card that I've made, and this is a Stitch So Sweetly die that I've already cut out, and I'm just going to use the magnet to hold it down. Then I'm going to take the tree off and place it where I want on here. Further down, okay, and then I'll grab it with my top plate here. And I'm going to use crumb cake to ink up the tree. And we'll stamp that. Nice. A good thing about the Stamparatus is if I missed any spots or anything, I could go back and ink it up and stamp it again, and it would be perfectly placed because it's right here in the Stamparatus. So I'm going to move that aside, and then I can just take a wet wipe and just clean off this tree. And I'll just move this aside. I'll close up the ink pad so I don't get super inky fingers. And then I'm going to stamp the little bubbles. I'm going to use a little bit of scratch paper. So we've got these bubbles here. I'm just going to stamp up here, over here. And then I'm going to stamp the sentiment in the Rococo Rose as well. Thinking of you. Just thinking of you. It's a nice sentiment. And I've got this cute little birdhouse that I'm going to stamp in soft suede. Hanging from the tree. And last but not least, I've got a little bit of grass on the bottom that I'm going to mask. And so I've already made a mask, and I keep my masks stored with my stamp set in the case. So I've just got this little mask here, and I've got a tiny bit of adhesive on it. And so I'm just going to stick it down right here. I'm using Pear Pizzazz, and I've got this little spot of grass here. And I'm going to bring back in my scrap piece of paper just in case I need. And I'm just going to stamp it right over the top here and try and get it as close as I can. And then remove the mask, and then it looks like it's stamped behind the tree. So masking is really cool. And there I've got the stamped portion of the card. So now I can just use a bazillion dimensionals to put it on. No, just 5. We'll just use 5. And there is our spring card. So I'm offering a class with this stamp set with 2 spring cards, 2 fall cards, and 2 winter cards. It's $25, or if you place a $30 order, you can get this card class for free, or any of my other card classes for free. Just go to my website and use this hostess code and send me an email letting me know which class you want, and I will send you that class for free. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can check out all my videos. Thanks. Bye.